Hello everybody, today we are going to begin class 6th mathematics in CRT CBSE chapter 1 knowing our numbers exercise 1.2 question number 4 Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale to greater by how much? So the first question you can understand that how much was the sale for 2 weeks together? Together it means we have to add. Then in which week was greater? We have to find out which week is a greater. Then we have to subtract. We'll come to know by how much. So let us do the addition. How we can do the addition? As I said, when we have to do the addition, we have to be the place wise, ones and tens place wise. If you do, it is easy for us. 1 plus 8. If you are going to do that, total books sold, so we will be getting the answer. So how we can find that? Let us see how much was the sale for 2 weeks together. Okay, so let us find out the answer. So if we add that, we are going to get 6,86,659. So after that, we have to find that which week was greater. So let us find that. In that way, we can find the books sold in the second week. We can find out. After that, if we books in the first week, if we subtract, we will be getting 1,148,77. I have shown you the method by borrowing. So you can also do in the same way. Find the difference between the greatest and least can be written using the digits. So the digits are given. We have to find the difference. Means we have to subtract. Greatest 5-digit number is, we can write that 76432 by the decreasing order. If we write, we'll find the greatest number. If we write increasing order, we can write the smallest number. If we find the difference, if we subtract, we will be getting 52,965. This is what we are doing, the borrowing. Just I have shown you in advance because to save the time. Next, a machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws. So a day, how many screws did it produce? In the month of January 2006. So number of screws manufactured in one day, it is 2,825. Number of days in the month of January, 31 days. So what we have to do for this? Multiplication. So let me show that multiplication once. 1 5 are 5, 1 2 are 2, 1 8 are 8, 1 2 are 2. So the next we have to begin from 3. We have to leave this place by the putting the symbol. Why we have to leave this place? Because we are going to. So 1 you are written there. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 3 8s are 24. 2 will be carried. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. Then let us add 5 7 8 7 15 7 8. So what is the answer we can get? 8,75,000. Sorry, 87,575. 87,575. So let us conclude the answer. Therefore, the machine produced 87,575 screws in the month of January. Now we'll go to the question number 7. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with she placed an order of purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So let us find the cost of one radio. It is 1200. If we find the cost of 40 radio, we have to multiply 12 fours are 48. Thus remaining zeros if we write, we will be getting 48,000. We are getting 48,000 that we have to write. Then after that, now the total money with the merchant 78,592. Money spent with her, it was 48,000 because she has given for 40 radio. So if we subtract, we will be getting money left with her, it is 30,592. Therefore what we have to do, 30,592 will remain with her after the purchase. Hope you understood these problems, how to solve it. So you can enjoy the story problem by solving by yourself. Thank you.